4 months ago, I started to trade crypto options on Deribit exchange. And each month I show you all the results. With price increase of Ethereum in May, my portfolio gained a nice profit. And in this video I will show you my total profitability and how much money I was able to earn from the beginning. So let's go! And first of all, let's take a look at the results of my portfolio for the previous months. As you can remember, I started my public portfolio with an initial balance of $2,002 in February 2025. At the end of February, I was able to earn $110. And this is equal to a profitability of 5.5%. The next month, March, was not that successful, and I had an unrealized loss of $50. But in April 2025, I was able to earn $100 on top, and as a result, my total balance was equal to $2,170. And this was equal to a total profitability from initial balance of 8.2%. And very soon we will take a look at the total balance that I have today and how much profit I was able to earn since the beginning. The last month was quite successful, and the total balance of my portfolio has reached a new high. And the main reason for that is the price increase of Ethereum. Here you can see the chart of Ethereum. And the price of Ethereum at the 1st May was equal to $1,800. Since that, the price of Ethereum gained almost 40% in its value. And as a result, my portfolio profit as well. And in May, I was following the same strategy as I was followed also in the previous months. Basically, the strategy is very simple. I was selling put options and collecting the premium every day. And as a result, after 1 month passed, I collected a total premium, which was really nice. And let's take a look at all the premiums that I received. And by the way, if you would like to learn more about this strategy that I use for my public portfolio, you can find the step-by-step guide in the description below. So and now let's take a look at all the trades that I did in May. So here you can see the transaction log and all the trades that I did between the 1st of May and the end of May. So I'm 100% transparent with you, and you can see all the trades that I did with a total profit for a single trade. For example, here you can see the last trade that I did, which I executed at the end of May. I sold a put option with a strike price of $2,400. Here you can see that it was a sold put option. And for that, I received a premium of 0.008 Ethereum. And after that, I decided to take a limited risk and placed a buy limit order to close this position and realize the profit. So I sold the put option for 0.0008 Ethereum and bought it back for a price of 0.0002 Ethereum. And as a result, the total profit in this trade is equal to 0.0006 Ethereum. But sometimes I also sold put option, for example as it was at the end of May, with a strike price of $2,500, received a premium of 0.0009 Ethereum, and after that the option expires worthless. And as a result, I collected the full amount of the premium. And these are all the trades that I did in May. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of trades that I did. Sometimes the profit was a bit less, sometimes the profit was a bit more. For example, here you can see I sold also the put option with a strike price of $2,425 when the price of Ethereum was at the price of $2,580. And for that, I collected the premium of 0.0030 Ethereum. We have also to deduct the trading fees to get a net premium that I receive on my wallet. In this case, the net premium that I receive in my wallet is equal to 0.0027 Ethereum. And as you can see, there are quite a lot of trades that I did in the past month. And to keep it simple, I exported all the trades to calculate the total profitability. And now let's take a look at that. And here you can see once again all the trades that I did for the last month. Here you can see, for example, the trade that I just showed you. The price of Ethereum at that time was equal to $2,580. $2,580. I sold a put option for 0.0030 Ethereum. Minus the trading fees, I receive a total net premium of 0.0027 Ethereum. And here you can see the summary of all the premiums that I collected in the last month. And as a result, the total premium for the last 30 days is equal to 0.013 Ethereum, which is quite good result. And also all the premiums that I collected in the beginning of May, I didn't sell. And as you can see, the price of Ethereum in the beginning of May was equal to $1,800. And as the price of Ethereum increased in its value, the premiums that I collected also increased in a dollar value. And this is basically the main reason why I haven't sold all the premiums that I collected till now. Because in the case price of Ethereum will reach all-time high, I will be able to sell all the premiums that I collected at the higher price of Ethereum and receive even higher dollar value. So that's why this is the main reason why I keep holding all the premiums in Ethereum. And now let's take a look what is the total account balance of my portfolio. And the total account value is equal to $2,290, which is equal to $290 more than at the beginning. And now let's adjust this account balance. So as I said, the account value is equal to $2,290. And as a result, I have a monthly profitability of 5.6%. Because this month my portfolio gained $123. And as you can see, the annualized return is also very high and is equal to almost 70%. So that means if I keep the same profitability each month, at the end of the year my portfolio will have 70% of gain. And this is a real nice goal to have. I started my initial portfolio with a total balance of $2,000. So that means the total profitability of 70% will be equal to a dollar value of a portfolio of $3,400 or $1,400 more than it was at the beginning. And this is quite nice profitability. And to keep this profitability, let's open the option chain, select the second expiration date and sell the put option and collect the premium once again. And if you haven't sold the put option yet, you can find the full step-by-step guide for beginners in the description below. So the current market price of Ethereum, as I said, is equal to $2,500. Implied volatility for Ethereum is quite high and is equal to 60%. So that means this is a really nice time to sell the put option, because the options premium are quite high. So today I will sell the strike price of $2,400, which is roughly 4% lower than the current market price of Ethereum. And let's sell this put option. So I am going to sell it at the price of 0.0022 Ethereum, so a bit less than the fair value of this option, to get a faster execution. So as you can see, the price moved a bit, so I will adjust my price also and press sell, create order, and let's wait a bit for the execution. And it's done. And as you can see, the dollar value of this option that I just sold for the value of 0.0023 Ethereum is equal to a bit more than $5.50. Just for 1 day. And if you take a look at the annualized profitability, this will be very high. Because if we take the premium that we just received, which is equal to 0.0023 Ethereum, and multiply it with 365 days in year, we get an annualized profitability of more than 83%. So that means by selling the option with the same profitability every day within 1 year, at the end the total profit will be equal to more than 84%. And this is very high profitability in trading. And also in addition to that, such high profitability I can get with implied probability of success, which is equal to almost to 90%. So that means with a probability of 90%, this option will expire worthless and I will keep the total premium. And tomorrow I will sell another option and receive the premium once again. And this is exactly what I'm doing with my public portfolio for the last 4 months, and share the all results with you. And if you would like to learn more about the options trading, you can watch my next video. See you. Bye.